Want to give your Windows 11 desktop a completely fresh and modern look? In today's video, I'll show you an amazing OxygenOS-inspired Windows 11 that transforms your entire desktop experience. From the start menu, taskbar icons, transparency effect, and overall UI styling. Everything is designed to bring that clean premium OxygenOS aesthetic to your PC. Follow along as we customize Windows 11 step by step, create a sleek setup that looks both elegant and powerful. So let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to another complete Windows 11 customization tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how to customize your entire Windows 11, including Windows 11 Explorer, icon pack, and start menu taskbar as well. So let's dive into the video. First, we're going to create a restore point. Click on search and type here create. If anything goes wrong while customizing, you can revert your system using this restore point. Select your C drive, then click on create and give it a name and click on create. So it will create a restore point. If anything goes wrong, you can restore your system using this restore point. Restore point has been created. Now we have to ready our system for using any custom theme. To do this, you have to download this tool called OxygenOS Theme tool. Just right click on it and extract the files. Then cut this folder and paste it into C drive. And one more thing, this customization doesn't consume much RAM or other resources as well, so feel free to use it. And then go to this folder. And here you can see this theme tool. Just right click on it and click on run as administrator, then click on yes. Okay, now you have to select these two boxes and then click on install. So it will record reboot. After reboot, your system is ready for using any theme. So now I'm going to show you how to apply the theme. Now go to this folder and go to this Windows 11 themes folder and copy this OxygenOS theme. Go to C drive, go to Windows, go to resources and themes directory, then paste it here. Okay, now we have to apply the theme. To apply the theme, go to C drive again and open OxygenOS theme tool. Just right click on it and click on run as administrator, then click on yes. Okay, now you have to select this OxygenOS theme, then click on apply. So it will apply the theme. Okay, theme has been applied. Now go to this folder and select your wallpaper. You can choose whatever wallpaper you want. Just right click on it and click on set as desktop background. Wallpaper has been added. Now I'm going to set up the dock. For the dock, first you have to head over to this website and you have to download this tool called Nexus. Just click on download, so it will download the Nexus dock. After downloaded, you have to install it. Okay, dock has been installed. Just uncheck this box and click on finish. Now go to this folder again and open dock folder, and first copy these dock theme files. Click on documents, go to WinStuff folder, go to Nexus background and paste it here. Then again open this folder, go to dock folder and copy this dock icon pack. Then go to your C drive and paste it here. Okay, now double click on this Nexus icon to launch Nexus dock. Then click on this Nexus icon. Then click on advanced, click on restore. Then go to this OxygenOS folder and open dock folder and select this dock backup file. Then click on apply and then go to this theme section, and in here you have to select this OxygenOS background, then click on apply and OK. Now you have to download and install this tool called Windhawk. Just go to this official website and download and install it. It is pretty easy to install. So after installation, you'll see interface like this. Now click on browse for mods, and first of all we're going to install icon pack. For the icon pack, first install resources redirect. Click on details and install it. Now go to this folder and unzip this OxygenOS icon pack. Then copy this folder, go to your C drive and paste it here. Then right click on this folder and click on copy as path. click on settings and paste it here. And remove this quotation mark and click on save. So as you can see, some icon has not changed yet. To fix this, first open Task Manager and search for Explorer. Then right click on this Windows Explorer and click on Restart. So as you can see, some icon pack has been not changed yet. To fix this, go to this folder again and right click on this Disable Folder Thumbnail Preview and click on Run as Administrator. Then click on Yes. Okay, now open Windhawk again and search for Windows 11 Explorer Styler. Click on Details and install it. Then click on Settings, and for the theme, select this Minimal Explorer 11 and click on Save. Now we have to install Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Click on Details and install it. Then open this folder and open Windhawk folder. Copy this taskbar Styler script. Click on Advanced and paste it here. Then click on Save. And now we have to install taskbar on top. Click on Details and install it. And now right click on this taskbar and click on Taskbar Settings. Click on Taskbar Behavior and Taskbar Alignment Center to Left. And now we have to install another mods called Taskbar Height and Icon Size. Click on Details and install it. Then go to this folder again and open Windhawk folder and copy this taskbar height and icon size script and then go to Advanced and paste it here. Then click on Save. Now we have to set up the Start Menu Styler. First, install Windows 11 Start Menu Styler and then open this Start Menu Styler script. Click on Advanced and paste it here. Here is the new Start Menu Styler. Now we have to add some acrylic effect to the Explorer. To add some blur effect, first you have to head over to this website and scroll down, then click on this release page and download this release folder. Then right click on it and extract the files. Then cut this folder and go to C drive and paste it here. And open this folder. First open this config file and show line true to false. And change it around on 70. And then click on File and Save. And then right click on this register button and click on Run as Administrator. Then click on Yes. So it will add some blur effect to your Windows 11 Explorer. You can also try this mods called Translucent Windows. You can choose whatever you want. Then click on No. And click on Explorer and first search for Hide. And install this. And search for animation. And install this File Explorer WinUI like content animation. Click on Details and install it. And this is it for today. So I hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.